Good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Shakti's Talk Show and Food. Please, if this is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel or any of my videos, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? This is the right time for you to subscribe. Kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell right there, just in case I upload any video, you'll be the first to be notified. To my OGs, oh my goodness, I appreciate you. To my new subscribers coming on the way, I say I appreciate you. Will never regret subscribing to this channel. Today I'm going to be advising. This topic is directly to people that base in my city, in my base, Italy to be precise. I base in Italy. This video is for people that based in my country, in the country I am, Italy, because this pandemic that we are now, a lot of things have changed. A lot of things, we all know things have really changed now, presently now, due to this pandemic that is circulating all over. We don't even know when this pandemic is going to be over. I just want to advise my fellow blacks out there. This advice is for you. This is the time for you to go and enroll in Italian school, that Italian language school, because now, presently, what is happening now, almost 95% of your activities have been done online. You know the meaning of online? Online. 95% of the activities is being done online. And as you know, if you don't speak language, you don't know how to speak Italian, you don't know how to write in Italian, it is a big problem for you. That's why I say I just come outside to advise my fellow people out there. Don't joke with this thing, because now, as I'm seeing it, we don't know when this pandemic is going to be over. Yeah, because a lot of appointments that I've booked, when you go to the office, they will have to send you back, say, you have to call the office number, or you book on internet, or you can as well send a fax to them. And I know, we all know that some people, they don't even know how to speak Italian, not to talk of writing, not to talk of, some people don't even know how to operate internet. That's why I said I should come today to plead with you all, because there is no one that will assist you. This is not a situation that you can easily, no, you cannot even go to your neighbor to assist you, because now this pandemic, everybody is avoiding each other. You know how it is. If I tell the stress I passed through few weeks back, you cannot just imagine it. The stress I passed through just to book an appointment is really something else. Getting there, they will tell you that, I'm sorry, you have to book online. Is either you call our land number, the office number, yes, of course, it's a land number and an office number. Is either you call the office number, or you go to their website and book, or you can actually send a fax to them. 3 options. And when you call is in Italian language. Most of my people don't know how to speak Italy. They don't know how to speak, they don't even understand. So I'm just here to advise you people. There is not the time for you to think, to do all that thing. This is the time, if possible. Even now, it's not even possible to even go to school now, because I don't even know what to say. I'm just here to advise you people. If you want to start learning it online, you can actually achieve online too. You can achieve it online. You can just go online to the internet to start practicing Italian language, because my dear, this era we are now, we don't really know when it's going to stop. We don't know when it's going to be over. So my people out there, don't take this as a joke. There are a lot of people in this country, 30 years, 40 years, they don't even know how to speak Italy correctly. I don't really know what they use their time to do in this Italy. It's not right. Not that I'm being harsh to those of them, but I have to say the way it is. Yeah. You can't be in a country 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, you don't even know, you don't understand the language. Not talk of writing, not talk of reading. Read, you have to read, and you have to read. There are some kind of document you need to sign. You have to read carefully to avoid mistake, to avoid story that touch. So I don't know how you people are going to do it, because now this pandemic everywhere, they're even closing everywhere. But I don't know how you're going to do it, but I'm just here to advise you, because 95% of the activities is online, and you will be frustrated if you don't know how to speak the language, whereby you call the office number and they're asking you, okay, what kind of text you want to run, what kind of appointment you want to book. You cannot say, because you don't know how to read Italian language. So my people, this pandemic, we don't know when it's going to be over. I will advise you all to go for Italian language school. I don't know how you're going to do it. I don't know. I don't just know. I'm just out here to advise you all, because this time, could you believe, few weeks back, I went to the hospital I wanted to book an appointment for my son. Oh my goodness. I spent 1 hour in the hospital. Ask me why. 1 hour just to book an appointment, book a date for my own son, my own child. I could not. You go to this Sportello, you go to this office, they will tell you go to the other office, you go there, they will refer you back to where you are coming from. They will be using you to play, they will just be turning you around. I was very nervous. I was saying, what is happening here? I went to your colleague, they direct me here, you are directing me. I was very, very nervous. I was even screaming that what is happening here? I've been here almost 1 hour. No one to attend to me. What is happening? Because I know I can speak the language, I understand. What is happening? People are just, I met one arrogant lady. I saw one other doctors. I gave them the paper. They said, go to so place. I said, I'm coming from that direction. She said, it's not that. The man wrote something that Dr. So person and stamp it. I went back. The woman said, Signora, what is it? Because the fire called a choir. Oh, you're not talking about the Signora, eh? I said, I met your other colleague. They said is here. She said, you're no more with the choir, eh? You're not even of you no more with the choir. I cannot get up from here because she's so lazy. She don't want to just get up and do her job, stand up and do. I cannot stand up from this place. She just carried the paper and said, cancel it back. That go. I said, I was like frustrated. You know what I mean? I was so frustrated. She cancelled that. No, Diritto, Sinistra, di qua, Sportello, di qua, di qua. Oh, mamma mia. Oh, dove siamo? Ma scusami. So I was just lamenting. I was just walking because 1 hour I was confused. I went to another place. They said, calma, we are trying to help you. I said, because I'm tired. I've gone to almost 10 offices. They are telling me, go here, I'm confused. What do you want me to do? They said, okay, they start calling. They said, the office is here before, but now due to the pandemic, it's been closed. So you have to call. I said, what? So I'll just be wasting my time inside this hospital for 1 hour. He said, purtroppo, signora, studio lo chiamare loro, adesso sai che questo cosa che in giro tutto è chiuso. I was like, okay. They gave me the office number. I was calling, and you have to spend money. You have to spend credit, use your credit to call. At the end, after like 15 minutes, I got them online. I was like, oh my goodness, thank you, Jesus. What happened? I now have to book appointment. And mind you, you are going to read everything that is written on that hospital paper they give to you. You have to read it properly. You have to give them all the code sheet there. So if you don't know how to speak language, my people, sorry, let me with their name. Because I'm not sure if you want to experience this thing that I experienced. And it's not done there. I've experienced a lot, but I don't want this video to be too long. So my advice for you people, please, this is not the time to be, wasting time. I don't know how you're going to do it. Just try and start a language school, because my dear, and most especially go and learn how to operate internet, operate laptop, operate, not carrying your phone only WhatsApp, Facebook. Use your phone for something that will So thank you. If you find this video interesting, kindly indicate in the comment section and give me a good thumbs up. Share this video out, share me out your community tab, share me out your social media network. May God bless you. We meet again in another of my video. I remain Shanti Talk Show. Go and start Italian school. Bye.